Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Alex.
My name's Kevin.
And we're a realtor team here with Howard Hanna. We're up in Northeast Ohio. We actually grew up in Northeast Ohio, went and got degrees at Bowling Green State University, and now we're back home selling real estate, helping people buy, sell, and invest up in the area.
And our motto is basically like, do work, get it done. So many times we hear people saying, oh, they're thinking about this, they want to do this, they want to talk the talk, but they can't walk the walk. That's why we're here. We want to walk the walk. We want to make sure that we're not wasting our time, we're not wasting our clients' time, and we just want to get everything going as smoothly and efficiently as possible.
Yeah, we really are just focused in on outworking, and you'll probably notice that we're on the younger side as far as agents goes. I think the average agent's like in their mid to high 40s. So we're about half of that right now. But we do have that young, hungry energy, and we're really tuned in with the technology side, digital side, the internet side that we're moving into more so. So it's less of the 30 years in the business agent, old philosophies, and we're really good with the new side of technology, but still, working hard. We like to hit the phones and knock on doors. We're definitely not shy about that.
That's actually the reason why we chose Howard Hanna, because they have all those tools and utilities and technologies that help us help you. We're able to go from open to close, from buying to selling, and we're able to do all that online with ease. We're able to basically get your home sold as fast as possible with the least amount of headache as possible.
Yeah, Howard Hanna does offer us, part of the reason was the tools and the training are just unmatched as far as what we've seen. Hey, look, if there's anything in the world we could do to help you or anyone you know, feel free to reach out to us. We have our information here on the screen. Text us, call us, email us, FaceTime us if you want to. And we'll be glad to help you out or answer any questions, Talk to you soon.